Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible proper? Mr. Salam.
Yes,
Abdus
I'm audible
Salam,
and
right?
visible all clear.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So, Mr. I want to know about you and which part of India are you speaking?
Northeast part in India.
Northeast. So, may I know the city and the exact location? New Delhi, Delhi NCR.
I'm from Assam.
Oh, okay. So,
Bro, where are you
so
from
what
in
do you do
India?
for? Yeah, I'm speaking from New Delhi,
Okay.
Noida. So, what do you do for living? I mean, are you a student? Yeah, work profession.
I'm a student as well as I'm a English learning, so beginner learner.
Okay, you are learning English. So, apart of this application, what you are doing other things apart of this application to enhance your English communication?
Okay. I used this application last 1 month ago, and I also practice in on YouTube
Okay.
and suggest me and
So, have
how
you?
can I improve my English.
Okay, definitely you told me. Am I audible?
Yes, audible and clear.
Okay. So, okay, you told me actually you are using this application as well as you also watch some videos on YouTube,
Yes,
right? Regarding the English, right? So, yeah, these are very important things also. But apart of this, you can try just like watch English news and try to read some English newspaper as well as because when you try to read English newspaper, your vocabulary will be enhanced, right? So many words will be new words and you don't have the means. You don't know the mean. You can highlight those words and then after that you can search and go what the object means and like that and you should note anywhere in notebook those words who don't know.
yes,
So because sometimes after moment few days later sometimes if you have not used those words you will forget, right? So if you have not done already then you can just quick overview of those words and your memory will be early uh, remember those words. Yeah,
yes,
what
yes.
is
Same,
like that.
same thing happened. So when I speaking English at the time, I unfortunately forgot any vocabulary,
Right. Yeah,
and
such type of things has
you
happened.
you speak English, but I understand, but I can't speak English.
Okay, you mean what I'm saying you can understand properly, but you are not able to speak.
Yes,
Right. Yeah, got it, got it. So, brother, the thing is that because such type of things is happening in everyone's. If I'm saying I am not the part of like that, so I'm also such type of things I also faced, right? But the thing is that you are going a uh, perfect path. I mean, perfect path, I can say, in the right path. Just you need to try. You need to speak more and more, but you doesn't think you are committing a mistake. Firstly, you don't think like that.
yes,
You try to speak more and more. Whatever you are saying wrong, it doesn't matter. Because if you speak more and more, then your tongue will be, I mean, rotated, and this will be when you speak any word, so it will be work in a proper way like that. Na? Sometimes your tongue is not working if you some word you using just like professional, yeah, composition, like
yes,
such type of
exactly.
so many
Yes,
word when you try to speak, yeah,
yes, understand.
organization like that. So if you try to speak more and more, so automatically your tongue twister will be work. So that's the reason. But never think like that if you are doing a mistake because in India, the incident is such type of incident happen with everyone.